is going on? All right. On my last video, I talked about the fifth wave up. There's an option whether it's gonna be going to moon 14K or just a correction and we're going 2K, right? If you guys haven't watched this video, like go to my channel and take a look on the previous video that I talked about. Okay, now we are around here right now. Okay, according to this chart here, we already reached 12.386. In fact, we reached 12.496. Okay, it's over. All right, I am still expecting it to hit the 12,715. So in order to do that, right, it needs to make another consolidation and make another higher high here. So I've came up some creative counts here. With the help of other electricians as well. I've come up with a count like this, and this is like some sort of WXY correction. Okay, some sort of WXY correction, and then we had a leading diagonal here, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have a flat here as a wave 2, and then now we had a 3 and sharp fourth wave, and then an ending diagonal. Now there has been a rule that I've kept for myself, which is if the wave 1 is a leading diagonal, then the wave 2 shouldn't be the fifth wave shouldn't be ending diagonal. So I am contemplating, thinking that probably, though this is a triangle here, okay, so I'm squeezing it and becoming, this is a triangle here, then the wave started from here, okay, this is an impulse up, this is a running flat here on the micro count here, and that's how the wave structure moved. So because many ways to count it, but I'll just pretend that this could be an ending diagonal, okay, because it's very obvious that this is a 5 wave up, and then an expand flat always happen on the second wave, and then a 5 wave up, and then a hard reject. Probably it's gonna be like a triangle here as well, like the fourth wave quick reject, and then make another higher high. It's gonna do something like this here, okay. So I am expecting some sort of a fourth wave over here. Now the tricky part about fourth wave, it could come out from this trend line. It can, because it usually does that, okay. So what I'm saying is it's gonna do something like that, like probably make it like that. So that's why sometimes I don't want to draw a wedge here. Instead, I draw a channel here, so I will have a better look. Okay. So you see how now you see how the market bounce on the mid channel here. You see the midline here, how it bounced here. So I believe it might consolidate here quite some time before making that. From here, all right, it has to stay above this channel over here, okay. So that makes it this gonna be looking like this instead, So I want to complete this drawing. Okay. So I'm gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Now this is gonna consolidate. All right. It's gonna make a triangle. I want to see a triangle, please. Please, Bitcoin. I want to see it. Right. If I don't see it, I'm not satisfied that the bull market is ended temporarily. I want to see a real triangle. If I don't see a real triangle, I don't think it's ended. It's still gonna pump, right? No triangle, no pump. The killer move that I learned from Elliott Wave Pro, right? You want to get the killer move, right? The killer move is you get a triangle, okay, and then you get another triangle, like that. Okay, so what is this? This is the fourth wave. Okay, and then you get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, sorry, the triangle is flipped up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a killer move. I want to get something like this, so I am looking for a move like that. Okay, now if I don't see the killer move, okay, I'm not satisfied. Okay, if I don't get it, I just think that the market hasn't done more upside to go. Okay, that this is an Elliott wave perspective. All right, so the reason why I think that the this right here 12,715, I think it's quite reasonable because we already broken the 100 bucks above. I believe we might touch the 12.7k again, okay, which is exactly where I want it to be, which is exactly where I think it's gonna go, right? So I am expecting the market is gonna be choppy, extremely choppy. It's not gonna show you any much direction. This is one of the perspective that I've been doing, like thinking creatively. It's been a while since I made a video because I don't know where the market is gonna go. Um, but if you're in my group chat, right? If you guys join my group chat, you can check back the log. I think I kind of missed out this whole thing. I think I did long it, but I took profit really quick because I think I took profit around 10,500, right? And then it made the triangle here, and then I longed it here again, and then we took profit here. No, we moved the stop loss. We moved our stop loss, and then bam, it dumped really quick while I was sleeping. So nothing we can do about that. So just make sure that we push our stop loss or take profit limit. You know, like when you pumped here, put a stop loss here. When they pump it higher, we put a stop loss here. By the time it goes here, it rejects, hit our stop loss. So basically, we didn't make much here, but I did catch the long over here and here to here, from here to here, right? I didn't catch this, but I did catch from here to here. It's my personal trade, but anyway, okay, now so the market has been consolidating quite some time. It's choppy. A lot of people longed here and got wrecked. A lot of people long here, full mode here. On the breakout, full mode, got wrecked. Now, I think it's gonna do a triangle and then an ending diagonal here, or maybe, like a killer move that I was looking for. One of the move that I am expecting to get. Thanks. I want to shout out to Dan. He's really good. He has his own signal group as well. He's good. He showed me that the killer move here. So I want to get that killer move so that I would. It's a good to go to short. If I see this killer move, I'm gonna short it here. Okay, exactly $12,740. In between range, between here, 12,715 as well. So it's a between here, ranging between here. Depends where it hits. Well, the fifth wave may overshot it, like may go higher, like that as well. So if it overshot, it's still legit. Okay, it can go as high as possible, wherever it likes. If you put the channel like that, right? It totally makes sense, man. You guys, I want to see this killer move here. Okay, so it can go as high as 13K as well. Then comes down. So we're gonna take a short here. It's gonna be a good short. Definitely gonna take it. All right, guys. Well, if you want to overshot to 14K, still possible. Still possible. Okay. You can do whatever. The fifth wave can be crucial, can be extended as well over here. But I am still looking for. I don't want it to overshot too high. Okay, so I am still expecting somewhere around here. I really don't like it to be overshot, overshoot. Sorry, I don't want it to be overshoot. Okay, I want to see a clear pattern here. You know why? You know why I want this kind of pattern? I want it to come back down here, and then it's gonna go for another up move to 14K. But first, according to this chart, right? If we forward it here, right? You see, I want it to reject here and make some kind of consolidation before going to another 14K. Okay, that is what I'm expecting now. Okay, so now if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to join my Telegram group, it's in the description down below. It's really good to support the channel. If you guys don't have any Binance or Kucoin account, maybe you could register under my referral link as well. I'm only sharing my perspective, and this is not a financial advice. It never always have been, but if you guys like it, just leave a comment down below. Alright, guys, thank you for watching, and goodbye.